Welcome to the open house tour of this beautiful home. Let's take a look inside. This beautiful one-story home was built in 1993 and has 2,543 square feet of living space. From the floors to the ceiling, this home has no shortage of beautiful detail, with exquisite crown molding, high ceilings, and plenty of natural light. This home offers a formal dining, a large family room with a fireplace, and a custom mantel. A culinary dream with this island kitchen, an abundance of cabinet and counter space, stainless steel, state-of-the-art appliances, and a breakfast nook directly off the kitchen. The master suite, in a word, is elegant. With a spacious master bath, a whirlpool tub, his and her vanities, and a separate shower. All the secondary bedrooms are neutral in color and are warm and inviting, just waiting for you and your loved ones to move in. This home is located on a beautifully landscaped lot surrounded by a privacy fence. Thank you for taking the tour. Please contact the listing agent for more information.